Izana yoku.
Can we go high grade? Can we go? Now I want all those PhD, Sabungaka, they are lying dormant. You know, because means you have to be theatrical, otherwise you lose the plot. So now we enter that space again. Now the first thing that you have to concern yourself with in all sorts of music is time. 1, ba, 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 ba. Are we happy with the time? You are slightly out of time. Just ta. So if you take it up, it's an extra. So you have to do that ta, ta. Because if you do ta, ta. Mama, that time in Kenya, we are going Molombo. No, but it's like intricate. So, can we go? Oh, yeah, oh! Oh, it's call and response. Wow. Oh, yeah, oh! We all sing in one voice. Now we're gonna go deep cut. Now we're going to what we call harmony. Harmony is when we sing different parts. The part that we're singing with is 10. Now there's different voices. Oh yeah, oh! Give a mambo. Oh yeah, oh! There. Oh yeah, oh! And on Oliver. So like that you want So how you respond? You respond in harmony. And then turn. Oh yeah, oh. Pamokili. Right, sharp. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Nice. Oh yeah, oh. Soprano. Right. Now we end. Can we end? Right. Because why? Why? Rafetsa, I can't turn to the next lesson. So Rafetsa, Utarian, now return now. This is, I get a little more standard. Now Riako, theatre, I get. Oh, yeah.